number 2, Webster, didn't I? Yep, I didn't forget Albert. So we are missing a few cars. We've only got no Webster rubber with them. Down the back straight, they'll go. Just looking at the cars at the back of the group, really making up some ground now. Number 2, Albert Webster, flying up in the 3rd place. But here's good and more. Well, what a difference these tyres make compared to the tyres they had on earlier. Everyone picking all sorts of problems with the slippery surface. But all the drivers seem to be coping admirably now with their wet weather sets on. 5 laps to go this time round, 5 laps to go. 87, Dylan Moore. Leading the round, being chased now by number 2, Albert Webster. And Albert there, down the back straight he goes, nice low, slug machine, F1 looks good. 4 laps to go this time round, with 2:52, Callum Selma up in the 3rd place. And we're going to change the leader, and he's number 2, Albert Webster, who takes up the run. So Albert now.
Go on, Albert.
Carol Wheels as he makes his way.
Go on, Callum.
3 laps this time round to go. 2:52, Callum Sell up into second position.
Doing very well.
Oh, we've lost the 87 car of Dylan Moore. He's gone.
Go on, Albert.
2:99, Harley Burns up into 3rd
Go on,
place.
Harley.
With 3:11, Jack Simmons in 4th. 8:42, Keegan Ivey in 5th. And 1-1 to Kieran Rowe. 1:56, bringing up the rear positions. Along the 88 there, Alfie Jarrett.
Go on, Albert. Go on, Callum.
Their way round at the moment, some of them drivers. But we've got a good chase on there. 2:52, Callum Sell. And number 2, Albert Webster in 1st and 2nd. They've only got 1 lap left to go this time round. We've already got...
Oh my God, oh my God.
Well, good avoiding action there by the drivers. And number 2's already got a win to his name, and that was earlier on tonight in 1st heat.
Come on, Albert, babe. Go on, Callum. Catch him, honey. You know you can.
1 yet, so he's been looking for a win in this one. But he's checked the flag.
It's so wet out there.
Very.
Go on, Callum. Top man.
2:52.
Go on, Albert. Go on, Albert.
Webster crossing the line in front.
Oh, only just.
2:52. Callum Sell second. 2:99, Harley Burns 3rd.
Well done, boys. Albert, you'll be back in the Reds now.
That was Keegan Ivey there in 5th place, so well done to the Ministry of Drivers. Give full confirmation on that result as soon as we get it.